is rounding off numbers. So what is rounding off numbers? We will use this concept rounding off numbers in our daily life in some situations. For example, the distance between Guntur and Hyderabad is the actual distance from Guntur to Hyderabad, that is Guntur to Secunderabad is Secunderabad, that is 283 or 273 kilometers. So this is the actual distance between Guntur and Secunderabad. But if you don't get it correctly, that means if you don't remember this distance correctly, we will say the distance between Guntur and Secunderabad is approximately. So if he does not remember the actual value, so we will say the near value which is nearer to the actual value. So here the distance between Guntur and Secunderabad is actual correct value is 273 kilometers. And if we did not remember it, the actual distance, we can say the distance between Guntur and Secunderabad is nearly, that means approximately 300 kilometers. So approximately. So this approximation is called rounding off. So we will use this approximation in our daily life in some situations. Here 300 kilometers is not the actual distance, so but is the value which is nearer to the actual value. So this nearer value which is nearer to the actual value is called rounding off the numbers. And see another example, if there are 18 students in a class and if you don't remember the actual strength of that class, we can say the strength of the class is approximately 20 students. So here 20 is not the actual strength and we say the nearer value to the actual value. So that approximation, that nearer value to the actual value is called rounding off. So this concept will be used in different situations. So let us see some problems how to round off the numbers. So there are three types of rounding offs in this class. So the first one is rounding off to nearest to tens and rounding off to nearest to hundreds and rounding off to nearest to thousands. So first one we will discuss about the rounding off to, so rounding off to nearest to tens. So how to round the given number to nearest to tens? So how to round the given number to nearest to tens? So children, see an example. Here there is a number given 763. 763. So this is a number given. Now we have to round this number to nearest to tens. How to round the given number to nearest to tens? So children, listen carefully. So first identify the digit which is present in the tens place. So here we have to round the given number to nearest to tens. So that's why we have to find the digit present in the tens place. Here the digit present in the tens place is 6. 6 is present in the tens place. That means 6 tens are there. Next, check the next number to it. So check the next digit which is present on the right side to it. So check the next number, next digit to it. Here the next digit is 3. If the next digit is less than 5, that means 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. So if the next digit is less than 5, then we have to round off the given number by keeping the same tens. That means the tens should not be changed. So no change. So the tens should not be changed. So if the next digit is less than 5, we should not change the tens. So if the next digit is greater than 5 or 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then round off the given number by rounding the tens to next tens. So if the next digit is more than 5, round off the given tens to next tens. So increase the tens. That means, so if there are 6 tens and round off the given tens to next tens. So after 6, the next 10 is 7. So in this way, if the next digit is greater than 5, so round off to next tens. That is next. So children, so remember these 2 points. By using these 2 points, we can simply round off the given numbers to nearest tens, nearest hundreds or nearest thousands. So first we have to round off the given number to nearest tens. That means we have to identify the digit present in the tens place. Here 6 is present in the tens place. Now we check the next digit. Here the next digit is 3, that is less than 5. So if the next digit is less than 5, keep the same tens. That means round the given number by keeping the same tens. That means the tens should not be changed and keep the same tens. That means the 7 should not be changed. Keep the same tens 6 and put the zeros for the remaining digits. So 760. So this is the number which is rounded up to nearest tens. So that means after tens place we have to put zeros. So after 10 there is a digit 3 and replace the 3 with 0. So if you round off any digit to nearest tens, we will get 1 0 in the answer. So see one more example, that is 3658. So children, let us see the second example. So here the given number is 3658. We have to round off this number to nearest tens. So identify the digit in the tens place. So here 5 is present in the tens place. Next check the next digit. Here the next digit is 8. If the next digit is greater than 5. So if the next digit is greater than 5, so round off to next tens. So round off the given number to next tens. So after 5, the next 10 is 6. So write 6 in the tens place. Write 6 in the tens place. So the before digits should not be changed and put the zeros in the next place. So children, so this is how to round off the given number to next tens. So if you round off the given number to next tens, we will get 0 in the answer. So children, this is the process how to round off the given number to nearest tens. Next, round off the given number to nearest 100. So how can we round off the given number to nearest 100? So let us explain with an example. So children, take an example here. The number is 6524. So this is the number. Now we have to round off this number to nearest 100. So here we have to round off the given number to nearest 100. That's why we have to find the digit present in the hundreds place. So hundreds place. This is ones, tens, hundreds. So 5 is present in the hundreds place. That means there are 5 hundreds are there. Next, check the next digit to it. So the next digit to it is 2. So check the next digit to it. The next digit is 2 and this is less than 5. The next digit is less than 5. Then we have to round off the given number to same digits. That means the hundreds should not be changed. If the next digit is less than 5, the hundreds should not be changed. If the next digit is greater than 5, then round off to next to hundreds. So here the next digit is 2 and it is less than 5. So keep the same hundreds. That means 65. Keep the same hundreds and put the zeros for the remaining 2 digits. Here there are 2 digits are there. So put 2 zeros for the remaining. So 6500. So this is the rounded number to the given number. So if the given any number is rounded off to hundreds, the answer will contain 2 zeros in its last 2 digits. So let us see one more example, that is 8625. So children, so see this number. Now we have to round off this given number to hundreds. So now find the digit present in the hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. So this is the digit present in the hundreds place. That is, there are 6 hundreds are there. Now check the next digit. So now check the next digit. The next digit is 2. If the next digit is less than 5, keep the same 100. If the next digit is more than 5, so write the next hundreds. So here the next digit is less than 5. So keep the same hundreds. No change in the hundreds. So keep the same hundreds. And put the zeros for the remaining digits. There are two zeros are there. So put two zeros for the remaining digit. 8600. So this is the number which is rounded off to nearest hundreds. So children, this is the way how to rounding off the given number to nearest hundreds. Now the third one is rounding off to nearest thousands. So how can we round off the given number to nearest thousands? So this is the same way. So let us see one more example. So the given number is 7652. So this is a number. Now we have to round off the given number to thousands. So here we have to round off the given number to thousands. That's why identify the digit present in the thousands place. Here the digit present in the thousands place is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this is the digit present in the thousands place, 7. Now check the next digit. Here the next digit is 6. That is more than 5. If the next digit is more than 5, so write the next thousands. If the next digit is less than 5, so keep the same thousands, no change in the thousands. So here the next digit is 6. That is more than 5. So write the next thousands. Here there are 7 thousands. The next thousand is 8. So write the next thousand, that is 8. 8 thousands. And put the zeros for the remaining digits. There are 3 digits are there. So put 3 zeros for the remaining 3 digits. That means the answer is 8000. So if any number is rounded off to thousands, the answer shall contain 3 digits. Next see, let us see one more example. That is 63,254. 63,254. Now we have to round off this number to nearest thousands. So identify the digit present in the thousands place. Here the digit present in the thousands place is 3. Now check the next digit. Here the next digit is 2. If the next digit is less than 5, here the 2 is less than 5. So keep the same thousands. That means the thousands should not be changed. If the next digit is less than 5, we have to write the same thousands. That is 6 and that is 3. So the thousands should not be changed. And put zeros for the remaining 3 digits. So there are 3 digits and put 3 zeros in the places of remaining digits. That means 63,000. So this is the answer. So in this way, we can round off the any number to nearest to tens, hundreds and thousands. So children, let us practice some problems on this rounding off concept in exercise. So go to exercise 1.5, 1.1 and let us practice some problems on this rounding off numbers. So round off the numbers. Round off the numbers to the nearest